Hello, Alexander. This is your grandpa. I made something for you. It's a steam engine. I built it here in my shop. I've built several different kinds of steam engines, but this is my favorite design, and this is the best one yet. I imagine you don't have a compressor, so I've set it up so to run on canned air. I'll show you a little closer view of that in a minute. And you certainly don't have a boiler to make it run on steam, but it'll run just fine on canned air, and I'll send you a can of air along with it. If your dad will just send me your address, I'll ship it to you. A little closer view. I think you'll like it. I had fun building it, and I'll show you a link at the end of this video where you can go out on YouTube and see me building it if you're interested. Here it is sitting on my lathe, which was one of the machines that I used to build the parts for this. Insert the plastic. If you answer the phone. This is a can of air, and you insert the plastic nozzle on the can of air into this little tube. Stick it in as far as you want. Or stick it in as far as it'll go. That's probably a better way to put it. And just pull the nozzle and turn it clockwise. These engines are not designed to run fast. That's about as fast as it ought to run right there. Any faster and things are liable to fly apart. I like to watch them, and a lot of people like to watch them run slow, which you can see the moving parts better. And like I said, this engine will run on a pound per square inch or so. Fun to see how slow you can actually make it run. So that's it. I enjoy these little engines, and they're a lot of fun to play with, and I think that you'll like it.